profit and loss and other accounting terminology. Some words used in many academic disciplines are difficult for non-specialists to grasp. Accounting terminology is familiar to everyone studying or working in the field of accounting. Profit and loss are one of the most often used terms. You must be familiar with its meaning if you can answer this simple question. Determine what profit implies before you begin. Net earnings or net income may be used to describe profit. Businesses may either provide services or produce goods for customers to purchase. The sales of these items and services will result in a profit. Keeping the costs of keeping a company in check might help boost profitability. Return on investment is another term for profits. Bonds and stocks are the most common examples of this phrase. Short-term or long-term business results might still be seen as ROI. Profit is another phrase for taxable income. Finance professionals use accounting to determine a company's profit and loss. They are able to identify the factors that led to both profits and losses. Accountants use a business equation to explain a company's profit and loss. They may simply calculate a company's net value by doing this. Defining one accounting term appears to always lead to the definition of other words as well. There are several terms that are difficult to grasp, such as net worth. The amount left over after subtracting a company's debts from its assets is referred to as its net worth. Net worth is referred to as the owner's equity in private enterprises. What's the deal with owner equity? What's left after removing all obligations belongs to the owner, right? Profits made by publicly traded corporations are distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends. As you can see, a company's owners or shareholders must first pay off all of the company's debts before any profits may be collected. Everyone in a company strives to get a favorable and profitable result because, if not, the firm is losing money. People build their societies and economies on profit. However, a firm might suffer losses from time to time. Consumers' habits and economic trends are always evolving. Because of this, it is impossible to predict the future success of a firm at all times. How can you know whether a company is losing money? The meaning of this is clear even to individuals without an accounting education. When all liabilities are subtracted from assets, the net result is a loss for the company. Fortunately, the corporation's accounting team still has options for resurrecting the company. It is possible for the firm to develop in the near future if the accounting staff are well trained and competent. Accounting personnel are unquestionably necessary for a company's success. The company's success isn't assured without them. As a result, the company's owner should only hire the best accountants. All financial transactions and choices are recorded in this manner. Profits can only be made after this. In the world of accounting, profit and loss are merely two numbers. In addition to the phrase, you also learned about net profits, net income, net worth, dividends, and other financial terms.